In an age where throwaway culture is a collab with appearing trendy, it's often easy to forget the real-world cost of nice things and keeping up with the Jones.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
The car scene is not exempt from this and is in no way bashful about boasting the lifestyles of the rich and the faux rich. You like that 2003 Subaru Impreza you paid $5,000 for at the Buy Here, Pay Here dealership?
She'll go 300 hectares on a single tank of kerosene.
Well, guess what? The Jones just bought a Porsche GT3 RS that did the Nürburgring in 6 minutes 49 seconds. Meanwhile, your new-to-use Subaru won't even hit the nearby Burger King without blowing the head gasket in less than 10 minutes. So, you don't have something boast-worthy, it needs work, and you want your next girlfriend to be of the OnlyFans variety. What do? Throw the whole car in the bin?
In the bin!
And go buy a new Supra for an anus-gouging $10,000 over markup and 96-month loan term?
Can I buy that, please?
No, you look yourself in the mirror and say, I want God's greatest Japanese hatchback coupe designed to carry around a bunch of for people in their 20-somethings. Joking aside, I'm of the opinion that if you enjoy the car and what's already there is of a good foundation, you fix and modify it within a reasonable price point that you can afford. Don't go bankrupt chasing some image that someone sells you on. It's quite disheartening to think about how many people in this world would love to have something that is in half-decent shape to drive around in, but aren't afforded that luxury. Yet, here we are, discarding things in good working order all the time, just because the next new shiny thing is here. So, to the younger audience watching this, maybe consider buying something affordable that doesn't stretch your wallet. Anyways, thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Please clap.
Alright, if you've been watching the channel for some time, you'll have seen my 2013 Scion TC. In that series, you may recall I've had that car since 2015, and that I was 22 when I purchased it. I'm now 31 years old, nearly a decade later. This car has been the nicest, newest car I've ever owned. I was still pretty fresh out of working at Starbucks for years, taking shit from Karen about her dumb skinny vanilla latte, and I now make cheat codes more money than I used to. Sure, I could certainly afford to go out and finance a new Supra, but at what cost? I promise you, I love cars as much as the next guy, and then some, but I need to be realistic about modifying and buying cars. Sure, I make more money now, but guess what? We are living in an unprecedentedly expensive time. If I want to be able to buy a house on a single income budget, have my fun toys, and live a comfortable life, I can't do all that. So, I'll work with what I have. I still love my Scion for what it is, and it's been incredibly unproblematic for me. I think we should take the good that's here and expound upon that. Sure, no one cares about a Scion TC, but maybe that's half the fun. Why try to keep up with everyone else when you can march to the beat of your own drum? 180 horsepower drum, to be precise. With all that said, here's what you can look forward to in this series. Yeah. That happened.
I get the tools everybody else. I got this.
So the car is now 10 years old at the time of this video and at about 150,000 miles. Let's take a look at the shape it's in. It's my daily driver for 10 years. As you can see, there's white overspray all over the car for some reason. I'm not sure how this happened, but the paint's pretty torn up in a lot of spots as well. Guys, join us in the next episode where we finally start to install the suspension and refresh this car. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing. It really does help us out a ton. Maybe leave a comment below. Tell us if you'd restore this car or if you would just move on to the next. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next video.